Top stories. First Northeast Olympic Games concludes. Manipur clinches overall champions title. Second death anniversary of Pabung Iboyaima observed. And buyers, traders and individuals swarm Mori town more than ever. Hello, good evening. This is Times of Manipur. It's me, Haripriya Tongram, presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in details. Manipur clinched the overall champions title of the first Northeast Olympic Games as the championship came to an end today. After 5 days of rigorous competition among various teams in different events at Khuman Lampak Main Stadium, Manipur bagged 79 gold, 47 silver and 31 bronze medal, whereas Assam clinched the runners-up title with a total tally of 138 medals, including 45 gold. The closing function was held at the indoor stadium, Khuman Lampak Sport Complex. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam, Education Minister and President of Manipur Olympic Association T.H. Radheshyam were the main guests at the closing ceremony. Top-ranking officials of Civil and Police Department, including officials of Youth Affairs and Sport, also attended the ceremony. Speaking at the closing ceremony, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar said, Northeast is comprised of different communities. He appealed the entire Northeast populace to work together and to stay united in all aspects of development and issues, saying that Northeast are uniquely united states in India. And also, he congratulated the organizing committee and the players for organizing the historic event.
There is need for the entire Northeast states to stay together, to work together, to strive together in taking up any measure in terms of development, in terms of sports activities, in terms of financial activities, so many other things.
Addressing the gathering at the closing ceremony of President of Manipur Olympic Association, T.H. Radheshyam said it was a great honor to get gotten the opportunity of hosting the first Northeast Olympic Games. It was a historic event. The will be cherished forever.
मेरे प्यारे खिलाड़ी भाइयों और बहनों को बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं और एक निवेदन करता हूं कि आप लोग बीच-बीच में बड़ा ताली बजाइए, जोर पर ताली मारिए, because we are players, you all are players, young players, we have hope on you and you must be in a lot of energy and full of energy, but we hardly see any claps coming from your side, so that is my request.
President of Amuku P.H. Devan Sarma said narrow-mindedness is the reason for creating chaotic condition in the state. He was attending a one-day discussion on integrity of Manipur held at the Tribal Research Institute today to mark the second death anniversary of Pabung Iboyaima, popularly known as Father of Social Workers.
In connection with the second death anniversary of Zevans of Pabung Iboyaima, President of Amuko P.H. Devan said, Pabung Iboyaima dreamed of equal society and unity while he was alive. However, the communal and selfish attitude among the people of various communities is one of the main reasons that has created chaos in the state.
Manipur haiba laipaksi ngallingai matamdagi sahi lising kayagi mamangdagi aikogi tongan ba phuruk kayana kundaraganda lairappa mafam amakhangni masida kanglu kunthraga tarumu akhoi khundari basingchina adugumlaba ngallingai matamdagi tongan ba mapangi forces sing mapandagi pirakpa safu sing pumna maksing ase akhoi kanglup singchina magi achobo thawdang loduna nga aganda selaganda mathang putharapuduna ngasigi akhoi gi mirol ase akhoi yoribani asigumlaba kanglup kayana khundaba magi tongan nat culture tradition jagoi isai harau kumai punnamakna thallaba irei pakse ngakpagi achoba thodang loramado ngasi di aigi jati khatangi hingaga loire aigi jati khatang chawkhala loire haibagi wakhalonda lakpaduna ngasi aigi irei pak aikoi punnamaki adumlaba imalai pak manipur se awaba phibam amada lakpasina maram organda aikoi ngasi integrity of manipur haiba wahai se masi pabungi thauram chidai akoi tangai phadana thamjaba.
Vice President of Ziliangrong Union, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland, Chandra Haumai said, ignoring history is the reason for losing trust. The distrust leads to differences amongst the various communities. Unity can be brought about only when there is understanding among the people of the various communities.
Integration 하자. ongang sangang na disonda lon thai haigda direct haigda akhugi chingmi singo thina haiba aduga kariyuma matamda wakhal leiba mising na di punchin gadamni chamin thamin na gadamni aduga amatigo ibanunggi wafam kya phongdo aga akhugi kaino to gadamni haibi wafam ni gra aduga adugu mo mayam aduna akhoi disintegration na abdullah.
As part of the program, a panel discussion was also held, wherein retired Professor N. Joy Kumar, Associate Professor Homen Thangjam, Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, and Chairman of Kohar, Fulindro, took part as resource persons.
Buyers, traders and individuals swarm Moreh town more than ever during special occasion and festival. On the other hand, shops and other business establishments at Namphalong Market near border town Moreh raised prices of various products, taking due advantage of the situation. At such, the number of visitors to Moreh town has been increasing with each festival. People swarmed Moreh town on the occasion of Kut, Niwal Chakauba, Dipawali, Christmas, etc. A huge amount of money goes to Myanmar with all the festivities and shopping at the international border town at Namphalong Market. On the other hand, talking to our correspondent at Moreh, one of the businesswomen said they have been facing difficulties due to the trend of making products more expensive during festival. She expressed the need for the authorities' attention to the matter.
Hana leiramba retagi am khudung chaba hanaki mi mayam ama passenger la koi ko khudung chaba lo manji hengat thare aduna karbar ko koi gadi am thine manji ya trabani na pone am koi lo bangamdre.
On the other hand, the individuals, including the students on school excursion and holidays, face great inconvenience due to non-availability of proper accommodation. Besides, visitors who take their vehicles for the trip finds it very hard to get a parking space. At such, the Meitei Council Moreh has taken up the initiative of helping the visitors by accommodating their stay at Kondong Lairembi Community Hall at free of cost. Many have expressed the need for booking hotels and lodge in advance.
Holy Moreda Festival Ganaxal Kuiga Iroina, Manipugi Jaga, Tonga Jaga, Lapa, Mayaki, Amangina, Hing Lecom later than a hotel in Jeep, another than I'm not putting anything.
And now let's have a short break. Welcome back. Minister Karam Shyam, along with other LJP leaders, condoled the untimely demise of renowned film producer Oinam Prembir. A small condolence service was also held at Chajing Karam Community Hall, Langthabal today. It is worth mentioning that Oinam Prembir has also served the people as Joint Secretary of LJP Kha Maibam Likai Polling Station 20/6. Expressing profound sorrow, Minister Karam Shyam said the most saddening fact about life is death. Moreover, losing a loved one after staying together after a long time is all more about heartbreaking. As part of the condolence service, a 2-minute silence was also observed in honor of the departed soul. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met his Japanese counterpart Shinzo Abe in Yamanashi on Sunday as the two leaders seek to add new vigor to the strong friendship between two countries. Prime Minister Modi, who arrived in Yamanashi on Saturday evening to attend the 13th India-Japan Annual Summit, has said that his meeting with Abe will add the new vigor to strong friendship between the two countries. The two-day summit beginning on October 28 will seek to review the progress in ties and deepen strategic dimension of bilateral relationship. Hours after the dramatic turn of events in Colombo that saw Sri Lanka President Maithripala Sirisena withdraw support from the government of Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe and swear in former President Mahinda Rajapaksa, the Modi government appears to be weighing its option cautiously for a number of reasons. New Delhi and Ministry of External Affairs chose not to jump the gun on developments in Sri Lanka capital, allowing them to play out their hand, especially given the fact that two separate prime ministers now lay claim to be official residents at Temple Trees. A final reason will only follow a show of strength in Parliament. Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. First Northeast Olympic Games concludes. Manipur clinches overall champions title. Second death anniversary of Pabung Iboyaima observed. And buyers, traders and individuals swarm Mori town more than ever. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur Update.